Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of July. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Geminis. Oh, the cards falling out for you, Geminis. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck for Geminis. Guidance from the angels. Message from the universe. Okay, so Geminis, there has been definitely a fight, a conflict, a dispute, and people have left each other. There is something which has happened which has led to either it can be a breakup between friends, breakup between something, but yes, you are not together. That's what I'm getting. There has been a actual fight, verbal or whatever, an argument, minor or major, that I can't say, but yes, there has been a dispute, there has been an argument, and sort of that group is scattered. It's coming off like that people are leaving each other, and what is happening after that is, see, the thing is that people are not very happy also. Though whatever this argument is, it has led to unhappiness. It has really led to a lot of remorse and unhappiness. But there is a new beginning also which is coming in for you. It is something which you are starting from the ground level now. It is something new, something brand new. It is a major decision which you are taking. It is a time to take an important decision, and this decision is something which has to be, and whatever this decision is about, you will be starting something new, and that new will be, or you've already started it, it's actually from the ground level. Okay, so it is something new, just from the core, just from the start, but it is something which is calling for a major decision. Okay, so you have to take that major decision. Okay, now this is what I am supposed to do, and maybe whatever I have to do, the work, whatever work you want to put in, you are ready to put in, because you feel that that is something which is, or that is someone, whatever it is, this is somebody, this is something which you are looking forward as stable and a long term commitment, or a long term venture, long term opportunity. So basically you are leaving this situation, and everybody whosoever was involved in it is leaving each other, and you are ready to take a major decision. Okay, now I want to start my life new, and that new can be from the basics also. Whatever it is, something totally new, and that is a major decision which you have to take, and you are taking, or you have even taken, and you are moving in towards a new beginning, and you are having a lot of emotions over here for a situation. Yeah, you are emotional about a situation, and you really want to open up to someone. Basically, you want to open up emotionally to someone. That's what you want to do, and that's what you are thinking about. So it is definitely either it's a new relationship or something you are emotional about, but it's well thought of. You are taking a decision on it, you are thinking about it carefully, and you want to move ahead in that direction. Okay, one more story which I'm getting over here is, see, it can be this relationship that has parted ways. It's coming off like that also for some of you, that though emotions were there, what I'm getting here is it can be the energy of two people actually, and both of you have emotions, but both of you are walking away from each other. That's what I'm getting, turning your back to each other, though you have the emotions. That's what I'm getting. More of this thing which I'm getting. Though for some of you it can be that you are thinking of moving ahead with your emotions towards someone, and that is what you are taking your time, you are thinking, you are spending the time alone and trying to take a decision, and opening up emotionally to someone else. Okay, and once you are able to move ahead, see, whatever the situation is, even if you are, if this energy if is of someone who are two people parting away, but they have the emotions, still you are taking that time to rejuvenate. You are taking the time, that self time, to rejuvenate, to give that time to yourself to heal, to come out of it, and you are being single and appreciating the fact that um, you are with yourself, you're trying to find yourself. It's something like that for some of you. For others who are planning to open up towards to somebody else, what I feel here is that you are still taking that time, though you have the plans, but you want to open up to the person. But the thing here is that you are still taking that time, you're still taking that time. So whatever the situation is, you are taking the time of making a right decision and giving time to yourself to heal yourself, or giving it a second thought perhaps. So you are spending time here alone, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. Though you want to open up, you're still not opening up. And over here with the Four of Pentacles, you are closed off. Closed off, though you are very stable. You have worked on your stability, basically. That's what I'm getting. You are working on your own stability. Okay, you're working on your own stability. You are feeling very, very stable, but you are closed off. You are closed off. I don't see that, though, even if you want to open up to the person, you are not opening up. I don't think you are opening up. So, if it is a person who is just thinking about what to do and should I open up, and then they plan to open up emotionally and offer, but I don't see you are doing so. I think you are still giving that time to yourself, and making I mean, sort of reviewing your options as to what to do, what not to do. That's what I feel. And if it is the energy of two people who are moving away from each other, though emotions were there, but something happened that you had to part ways, still you are giving that time to yourself, that self healing type of a thing you are doing, and you are very, very closed off. And here with the Ace of Swords, here comes in, and with the Emperor. So this is talking about the new beginning. Actually, when you are making that move, it's a new beginning, and this is talking about the leadership. You choose to be the leader. You take, now here you are executing. You want to take the decision. You are in the position to take the decision. That's what I'm trying to say. So here I think you are closed off, and then after taking that time, whatever you need, you then decide to make a move perhaps, or you decide to take a decision, or this is now the right time perhaps you feel, and then you take the decision, because now you feel you are empowered enough, or you are in a position to take that decision, whatever this decision is. So and over here with the Six of Spades, you are definitely moving away from anything which was troubling you, whatever the sorrows were, whatever the miseries were, and whatever was upsetting you. You are definitely moving away from that past. Number 12 or number 3 may be of some significance for you, seeing clearly. It is the time to view the things from different perspective. You have the blessed gift to see the past, the current situation, and envision the amazing possibilities. Don't worry. The pause in momentum while you rethink your plan won't last. Embrace your uniqueness and allow it to serve you. So basically that's what I'm saying. I don't see you opening up. You are giving that time to yourself. Okay, you are closed off. You still feel that you need to give you need to love yourself first, and before you are ready to make the next move. So that's what you are doing, and you are using this time obviously to see things from a clearer perspective, to understand things better. So that, and now here with the Emperor, you feel that now you are in the position, you have taken that power, you feel that you have the capacity to make a new move now. So that's what you are doing. So here what I feel is, here it is a decision that you are making to, this is the decision that, okay, I should leave this situation and I decide to move forward. Okay, so this is the decision time basically. Okay, yes, I will do it. Here it is a decision time, and here I think it is coming as the execution time. Here it is, you are in a position to make the move, even if you are making or not making, but yes, here you feel empowered and you feel you are in a situation to make a move. You are in a situation to make a decision over here. Number 44 or number 8 may be of some significance to you. Get to know each other. Learn to meet each other's need for love. So basically it can be that that is the thing you are thinking about carefully, because maybe that is why you're not making the move. That is what you are thinking. Okay. So I think whatever you are doing is a very wise thing to do, and you should be able to you should be able to understand that whatever has happened shouldn't happen again, and whatever the decision you have taken, you are not acting impulsively on it. You are taking that time, and once you feel that, yeah, this is the right time to make it, or you feel that now you should do it, that is what you are doing, and that's very right, Geminis. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.